Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that your job simply doesn't exist anymore. Not because the company shut down, not because the economy crashed, but because a machine learned to do your job faster, cheaper, and sometimes even better. This is not science fiction. This is the reality we are moving toward. By 2030, artificial intelligence is expected to automate millions of jobs around the world. Some experts say up to 30% of current work tasks could be handled by AI systems. But here's the real question: which jobs are actually at risk and which ones will survive? Because the truth is, AI is not coming to destroy work, it is coming to change it completely. And the people who understand this shift early will benefit the most. Let's start with the big picture. Every technological revolution replaces certain jobs while creating new ones. When tractors were invented, many farming jobs disappeared. When computers arrived, many clerical jobs vanished. When the internet came, entire industries changed overnight. Now we are entering the AI revolution. Unlike previous technologies, AI does not just replace physical labor, it can replace thinking tasks, writing, analyzing, designing, customer support, even coding. That is why this transformation will be faster and more disruptive than anything we have seen before. But instead of guessing, let us look at the jobs most likely to be replaced by AI before 2030. The first category is data entry and repetitive office work. This includes roles like data entry, operators, administrative assistants, basic accounting clerks, and documentation processors. These jobs rely heavily on structured tasks such as entering data, organizing information, and processing documents. AI systems today can already read documents, extract information, and organize databases automatically. Companies are using tools that can scan invoices, read emails, process forms, and update records without human intervention. A task that used to require 5 employees can now be handled by one AI system. And as these tools improve, the demand for manual data processing will continue to decline. The second category is customer support jobs. For years, customer service relied on call centers with large teams answering repetitive questions. But now, AI chatbots are becoming incredibly powerful. They can answer questions instantly. They can analyze customer history. They can even detect emotions in text and voice. Many companies are already replacing large portions of their support teams with AI powered assistants. Banks, e commerce companies, telecom providers, and airlines are rapidly adopting these systems. Instead of waiting on hold for 20 minutes, customers now interact with an AI assistant that solves problems within seconds. This does not mean all customer service jobs will disappear, but the number of people required will be dramatically smaller. The third category is basic content creation. This might surprise many people, but AI tools are already writing blog posts, marketing emails, product descriptions, and even news summaries. Companies that used to hire multiple writers for routine content are now using AI systems to generate drafts in seconds. For example, marketing teams can generate ad copy instantly. News websites can automate financial reports. E commerce platforms can create thousands of product descriptions automatically. Even video creation is being automated. AI tools can now generate voiceovers, edit videos, and create visuals from simple text prompts. This does not mean creative professionals will disappear, but the demand for basic repetitive content creation will decrease significantly. The people who survive in this field will be those who bring strategy, creativity, and unique perspectives. The fourth category is basic coding jobs. A few years ago, coding was considered one of the safest careers, but AI coding assistants have changed the landscape dramatically. Tools like AI copilots can generate code debug errors and even build entire software modules with simple instructions. Developers can now build applications in hours that previously took weeks. For companies, this means fewer developers can accomplish more work. Junior programming roles, especially those focused on routine tasks, will face heavy automation. However, advanced engineers who design systems architecture and complex algorithms will remain extremely valuable. In fact, AI may increase the demand for high level engineers, but it will reduce the need for large teams doing repetitive coding work. The fifth category is financial analysis and trading support. Finance has always been data driven.